Hey guys, Spencer at Z1. Thanks for joining us. Today we're taking a look at Z1's iron, clutch, and flywheel drag pack combo. This combo features our nodular iron flywheels, which, as you've heard us before, it's a big improvement over using something like a gray iron. This is a ductile type of iron. It's got more graphite in it. They come pre-dampened, they're heat treated, stress relieved. It's going to be good for years and years of use, daily driving or abuse. These flywheels can be resurfaced, so used multiple times with different clutch sets. And they come precision machined to the same tolerance that our forged lightweight and midweight flywheels come with. Flywheels feature, they're going to be indexed, so they're going to go in the crank pin just like factory, so everything's in time. And even for us at the assembly point, we use an alignment pin, so nobody's going to be able to put the thing on backwards or out of spec for you. No worries there. You bolt it on, it's going to see the sensors just right like factory, going to run smooth, idle smooth, start right, accelerate, go all the way to red line just fine, okay? Flywheels feature a steel ring gear. It's got the same chamfer like factory, and it's going to be good for years and years of starting. Shouldn't have any grounds or problems there. Buy it just like factory, okay? Heights are very similar to factory. Weights are very similar. The DE package is 27 pounds, same as factory. The HR applications use a 27-pound flywheel as well. We use the same blank, just machining different. On those, the factory is like 30 pounds, just very close. These flywheels are all going to use our Performance Street pressure plate, and then you get your option of disc type. You can do our standard sprung hub, our lightweight full face, my fave, or the 6-puck if you're really killing it, okay? Great thing about these that guys love, and I'm not really a drag racer, but I get the debate all the time about heavy versus light. We see it. We understand the torque argument with lightweight or heavy flywheels in two different fashions. It's not just one singular argument. For us, it's a dynamic or a static rating. That's how I'll say it. Static rating is at a fixed RPM. Let's just say we're holding RPM, maybe like a launch RPM. So we're just sitting in motion. We know we're going to have a higher torque reading if we take a measurement off the motor when it has an extra, 15 pounds of weight swinging on the back. It's just momentum, right? That's kind of feeds right into that. You make the hit, the car's not going to bog as easy. You're going to be able to get away, make those shifts and bangs. You're going to have an extra kind of into the next gear. That's a big thing. In the dynamic relationship, like we just measure it revving out on a dyno, sometimes, yes, we see that the numbers will change, especially through the mid and higher RPM. They may drop a little. So it's really what you're looking for. But we see the benefit here. Cost is very effective. You get all this extra momentum. They're similar like stacked heights. DE kits are going to include pretty much everything you see here. Your choice of discs, they're going to have an alignment tool, pilot bushing. DE kits will include a Koyo throwout bearing. HR kits will include no throwout bearing. We recommend you replace or upgrade your CSC kit with like one of our eliminations or at least a new replacement at minimum, though not really high on the OE. They have such a failure rate. It's a great kit available today in stock. We keep these for you guys ready to go, so you can solve your daily commute needs. You can solve your weekend needs, maybe all in one. If you got a does both car, this may be the perfect fit for you. And hey, it idles quieter than a lightweight or midweight would. Some folks like that, and I kind of don't care. But if the chatter at idle that you know of or hear about drives you nuts, or maybe it's for the wife and you think she'll complain, this is a good choice without having to spend a few thousand that the OE dual mass would put you back into. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.